Yang here doing another unboxing video. This time I'm going to be unboxing a brand new Lenovo Thinkpad L14 Gen 1, which is a AMD edition. Okay, AMD edition. Just by the name itself, hindi siya Intel based but rather AMD. So this device is actually for our own use. So ito yung gagamitin ng mga engineers namin. And way cheaper siya, at least around $500 cheaper comparing to the Intel version. But ako mismo nag-order nito, and this device actually comes together with a Ryzen 5 processor. Okay, I've been using Ryzen 5 as well on my own personal desktop, and I find it much more better comparing to sa mga Intel desktops na hinatid ko before. That's why I decided to get this for our own engineers, and plus mas nakakatipid siya comparing to the other Intel-based mga laptops na Lenovo. So again, Intel Thinkpad L1 Gen 1 AMD version. Okay, comes together with 16 gig RAM and 500 gig SSD NVMe. So let's start doing the unboxing. So shoutout muna pala sa Sinclair card pen knife. So ito yung side ito sa ginagamit ko dati ng mga box cutter. Ito gagamitin natin for our mga unboxing. So by the way, ito nga pala is my first time unboxing with face reveal. So makikita nyo pala yung mukha ko. So let's start doing the unboxing. Ito naman. So standard will be most likely it comes together with a 65 watts power brick. So box itself, bago ngayon na, hindi siya naka-separate na plastic yung power brick. So power brick, power adapter niya, yeah, same 65 watts, and Thunderbolt. Comes together with a 3-prong power cable. Okay. The packaging niya itself is quite sturdy. In front, may mga styrofoams to handle yung mga shipping. Actually, itong shipping nito, we ordered this since March or late February, but it was only delivered last week of May. Dahil na rin sa problema sa shipping, like the pandemic and yung recent issues sa Suez Canal. So, for the box it comes together with setup guide, standard setup guide, sayang plastic, pero anyway, ano naman ang box. Okay, and plastic case holder. Okay. And it's actually good, better than I expected, pero medyo plasticky siya comparing mo sa mga X1 carbon version. Set up ko ito later using yung aming macro yung image cloner. So, but I'm planning of getting a vanilla image cloner as well. So, medyo plastic siya, pero malaki I think this one's 14 inch, kaya L14. Okay. Sides come together with one Thunderbolt USB-C port. This is for charging, and yung proprietary yung marunong salita na docking station for Lenovo that comes together with the USB-C as well, Thunderbolt. Then one USB A input. Di siya USB 3.0, I think. May HDMI input din siya, and plus SD card and my SIM card. I think SIM card sa ibabaw. And meron na siyang LAN input for the network as well. On the other side, yung Kensington lock, I'm going to be using it for this, hindi mo alisin. So may Kensington lock din siya, and exhaust grills, fan, and another USB-A. Also not USB 3 kasi black siya, and a 3.5mm audio jack. So opening up, ito natin para kita nyo. So meron siyang cloth with a part number and thickness microns. I don't know. Siguro we can keep this as well para pwede pa muna sa monitor, diba? It looks good. Standard chiclet keyboard with Lenovo's signature nipple knob for as your mouse pointer, but you can still use dito yung sa mouse trackpad niya. So it's okay. May issue lang ako sa ganitong trackpad eh. Parang you use the left side as you right click. Sometimes hindi ko makagat. I don't know. And let's see with this L14. This is the first one I am actually using or setting up. Plus yung standard mouse clicks or trackpad clicks. Meron na rin siyang fingerprint for sign-in, since it will actually support Microsoft Hello. So, but may policy kami na hindi namin magagamit yan. But then again, if you're going to be using it for something else, or personal, or if your company issued laptop has a policy wherein you can use Microsoft Hello, you can use the fingerprint as well. Aside from the camera. So it's a standard HD camera, I think 720p if I'm not mistaken. Na meron na rin siyang security cover. So ayun, pwede mo siya cover from here. And yeah, medyo plastic ang style niya, pero knowing Lenovo naman, yung mga quality nila is not the usual quality. Hindi sila low quality. So again, Ryzen is the processor, you can see. Actually comes together with a sticker of a Ryzen logo, and yeah, it's good. I think it's around 2.5 kg estimate ko. Quite sturdy. Yung loob niya, built-in na yung battery, although replaceable, lithium-ion battery, 16 GB RAM. Diyan na rin yung 16 GB RAM and NVMe SSD. Hindi ko na papaalam yan, hindi natin bubuksan yan. And I'll leave my engineers to actually set this one up. Pero yung dalawa akong gagawa dahil ipapaready ko for our customer relations manager. Sila, yun yung may rin namin for this setup. Okay, so that's it for now. Ano pa ba? Ganda. Ganda siya. Magandang replacement. So we'll be replacing the Gen 4s or Gen 3 X1 card one. So yung mga gamit ng mga engineers is more than 4 years na siguro, kaya inush ko na mapalitan yung mga laptops nila. So ito yung pampalit. And hopefully we'll get a good feedback then moving forward if we're going to be upgrading some of our other users here sa company. Ito na rin yung kukunin ko. So that's it for now. Let's see if I can set it up, then let's see later kapag gawa natin another video para makita nyo kung paano siya yung interface ng pag-login. Okay? See you later guys, or if not, see you soon for another unboxing video. Yang Reader here signing out.